In this episode of Sailing Doodles, we send Taylor up the mast before getting off the dock and encountering an absolute massive pod of whales and sailing across the Mona Passage. This season of Sailing Doodles features Bobby, Taylor, and our special guest for the next few weeks, fellow YouTubers, Babe, Where's My Passport? So follow along on our journey as we set sail for the Caribbean in our 1989 CT-56. This channel is made possible by our patrons. Thank you so much. In the last Sailing Doodles, we said goodbye to one crew member before saying hello to two new crew, and then we did some last-minute provisionings getting ready to sail across the Mona Passage. This sun is, oh yeah, it's up over there. I've been up for about an hour or so getting things ready. I was kind of tidying up the boat, putting away lines, stowing stuff, getting the dinghy all tied down properly. We've got to send Taylor up the mast here in a minute, up the mizzen mast anyway. Mizzen halyard keeps kind of getting looped. We're just leaving it too loose. I need to tie it down a little tighter. And we've been anchored in place for some winds blowing from the stern. And it's blowing the halyard around the little radar reflector up there. So unfortunately, I don't think there's any way to get it except for putting her up the mast, so we got to do that before we leave. And then we're checked out with customs, we're checked out with immigration. The Navy still wanted to see us this morning, so the Navy will check us out too. And then we're on to Puerto Rico.
We are heading out to Puerto Rico today. It's the big day. I've been looking forward to this for like the whole trip. I'm really excited for Puerto Rico. And what do you guys think? It's gonna be your first sail.
We've been waiting like a year to do this, so we're pumped.
I'm so excited.
All right, well, first things first, I have to go up the mizzen mast and
Yeah, clear a line.
Clear a line. So I actually haven't gone up the mast yet, but first time for everything.
And we won't laugh when you fall in.
Okay, all right, sounds good.
The first step is to get strapped into the bosun's chair. Then it's time to go up. I was a little bit nervous, but it was actually a lot of fun.
We'll just leave her up there. She'll be fine up there. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Or you have to do a double, triple backflip.
All right, sounds good. I'll dive right in from up here.
Thankfully, the guys did let me down when the job was done.
Well, I got the line all cleared up from the mizzen mast. Bobby's just checking out with the Navy. And then we'll be ready to untie the lines and get out of here.
We didn't have the chance to properly explore the Dominican Republic, but one of these days, we'll come back.
The captain is casually backing out.
We made it off the dock nice and smooth thanks to our fabulous captain.
Yeah, no problems at all, and we had the other crew here to help. So we need to actually, we'll introduce you to them a little better here in a little bit once we get kind of settled in on their way.
So what are you most excited for?
Hopefully we see some whales.
About Puerto Rico though.
Hopefully we see some whales.
Yeah.
Puerto Rico, I don't know, I haven't explored the South Coast. I hear it's really nice. And it's kind of like, I don't know, I mean, it's islandy, right? But it's still the United States, so you can get anything you need or want and all that. So it's kind of looking forward to that. And it's a stepping off point to the Virgin Islands, which is cool. And I have some friends down in Puerto Rico I'd like to see again. So the guys down in Fajardo, Alberto, and those guys, so.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, I've been pretty excited for this most of the trip. Like, I mean, Dominican was really awesome. We had a good time here. But I'm super excited for Puerto Rico and to see some whales, hopefully. Apparently, Graham and Theodora are good luck charms as far as seeing animals, so we're counting on them.
There was no wind in the bay as we motored out. We were in the shadow created by the mainland. The Bay of Samana can be a hot spot for humpback whales, and it was their season, so we were looking out for those. Normally there are strong winds out of the east that can make the Mona Passage quite treacherous, but in this case we had a southerly breeze and we could sail all the way across. It was going to be an easy Mona Passage. We set sail early in the morning and we were hoping to see some whales.
Well, guys, what's your official review of boat life thus far?
Thus far, awesome.
Like, this is almost the best experience of my YouTube career so far. Like,
Hey!
It's really good.
Almost the best, come on.
and like, I'm not feeling seasick either, which is just.
No.
So we gotta kind of get you some more information about you guys. So you guys are Babe, Where's My Passport?
Correct.
And tell us about your channel and what you guys do.
Yeah, so I'm Graham, this is Theodora.
Nice to meet you.
We've been together 14 long years.
Long years, come on.
No, but we started our YouTube channel about a year and a half ago.
Yes.
We're about 130,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
We kind of risked everything just to go full for it.
Yeah.
And yeah, we just love traveling, so that's our genre in YouTube.
So you just pick a destination and kind of vlog about the life or the travel there?
Yeah. We vlog about the destination, what to eat there, what to do there, where to stay, what to pack. And this time it's sailing. And
yeah.
I couldn't be happier to be joining you guys.
All right, so if you want to check them out, it's Babe, Where's My Passport on YouTube. There's a link down in the show notes, probably a link to one of their videos. And also same thing on Instagram, right?
Yeah, so
Yeah, same thing.
All right, we're glad to have you aboard.
Thanks for having us.
All right, there you go.
Well, I think we just had our first spotting of a whale. So
Look how close they are. They're all in front of us. We're sailing with them. We're part of the pod.
oh my God!
I had never seen so many whales, and they were definitely not shy.
It was quite an amazing sight seeing these majestic creatures moving in their natural habitat. The only thing left I really wanted to see was some dolphins, and we were even lucky enough to get that.
Oh my god, dolphins, yes! Oh my god! Oh my god, amazing! Oh my god, amazing!
Taylor, he's for you! Oh my god! Yes,
pretty excited. I guess they never have had dolphins swim their bow. As the sun started to go down and the wind turned our favor, we raised the sails.
Oh, she's a beauty, isn't she?
Well, the wind is definitely a lot stronger than anticipated, but it's out of a decent direction.
Perfect way to end the day.
Yeah, we're just doing the main and the Genoa and the mizzen right now, just because if the wind's already this much stronger than anticipated, I don't want their first night, you know, with their first time on a boat, their first time at sea at night doing a night watch,
Having a reef or something.
having a reef in the middle of the night or something. So we're doing like 5 knots as it is. I mean, if we had the main up, we'd be doing over 6 probably. So
This is what it's all about.
yep,
A boat.
you Canadians.
We couldn't ask for a better day, and we ended it with an absolutely beautiful sunset.
Right by your side, a body to rescue your mind. Just somebody, I'm the one to find when you need someone to rescue your mind.
Be sure to check out Babe Where's My Passport as they document their travels around the world. And Taylor has started her own channel. Please check out Taylor's Travels as well. This channel is made possible by our patrons. Thank you so much. We've even started doing Zoom video chats with our patrons.
Surrounded, all up in your zone, I am surrounded.
Well, an excellent dinner. Thank you, Theodora.
You're welcome.
I think Graham is. Are you high? He's in the fetal position. He might be getting sick. I don't know.
I need food. I need.
Yeah, but it's a good first sail for you guys. Glad the wind cooperated, so you guys are getting some real sailing in.
Yeah,
Good,
can't
really
believe
good.
sailing.
We're doing 5.5, 6 knots, and it's pretty nice. Perfect.
Yeah.
Burrito cheers.
Burrito.
I got it everywhere. Sorry.
Thank God for the washer dryer.
Yeah, right.
Can't take me anywhere, even on your own boat.
Nope.